We are Sister Sparrow and the Dirty Birds, and this is Treehouse Sessions brought to you by Firefly Music Festival and Catfish Music. Yeah, clap on with me, come on. What time did you get up? Where tonight, baby? I think I would know if you were heading home. You, I got lost, didn't you? I got tossed, didn't you? You found love on your way home. Well, how could you ever outdo your tone? Oh, think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. Oh, yeah. I think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. Oh, yeah. What's become of us, darling? I know you used to love me like I was the only, but now you stepping out, you with her helping out, leaving me oh so sad and lonely. Well, you got another thing coming to you. Oh, I think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. I think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. Well, I got no choice but just to follow as you do. But if I don't let no one, well, I'll be doing dirty just like you. Hey, I think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. Oh, yeah. I think you took the long way. Think you took the long way. Oh, guitar. Oh, how'd you think it was gonna be? Turning out a twisted G.
How did you think it's gonna be? No, I ain't your property.
I can't live, we can't live without. Now I hear the lies are coming out your mouth.
Whoa, girl, that's cold as ice. Come over here and we'll play nice.
I said you all over town with another love. You make me pay the love price.
Come on, girl, if you put me down, you know I'm gonna be out on the town.
But how'd you think it was gonna go? Your cheating ways, I'm out the door. How'd you think it was gonna go? Your cheating ways, I'm out the door. Thank you, guys. Oh boy, you guys having a good Friday? Us too. Thank you so much for having us. All right, we're going to play a little love song right now. This one's called Fight. It's late, they see you won't go. It quits. Good Lord, is that all there is? I guess it's enough. You won't give up. How could that be all your love? Oh, you gotta fight, fight, fight for it, baby. So you got to fight, fight, fight for it, honey. Oh, Thank you. All right. Okay, we're gonna do a little New Orleans tune. I wrote after the first time I visited there, which is the best town ever, right? Well, besides Chicago. All right, give it up for the Dirty Bird horn section right now. Cause this